Random teams number 2 of NT has 10 spots left only. 10 left. Three teams left in PYT 6. All right, no trades. Let's go ahead and rip it. Good luck, all. What'd you get with your one team, David? What team did you get? With your one spot, I mean. Niners, not too bad. All right, what's going on, everybody? Connor right here from Mojobreak.com for Wednesday, April 14, 2021, to do another 2 boxes of brand new 2020 Panini National Treasures NT football on release day. This is 2-box hobby, random teams number 1. We just drew your teams, there were no trades. D. Janis got the Bears, Scott Bake with the Lions, Jimbo with the Seahawks, Big Apple Buccaneers, Didi with the Eagles, J-Pack with the Chiefs. David got the Niners, Original Hampton Texans, For the Record Colts, Colin with the Packers, Simon with the Patriots, Pat Fran Ravens, Adam with the Bengals, Deep Out Titans, Ramin with the Dolphins, Peter Washington, Jimmy Saints, Ward Crane Giants, Galapol Bills, Flan Man with the Steelers, Jared V with the Falcons, Pat Fran Chargers, Boot MG Browns, Scott B with the Cardinals, Joe May Rams, Ward Crane Jets, Boot MG with the Panthers, Original Hampton Jaguars, Simon Cowboys and Vikings, Coach got the Broncos, and Glenn Viper with the Raiders. Good luck, everybody. Box 1. PYT 6 is coming up next. There are 3 teams left. The 3 teams are Ravens, Cowboys, and Raiders. Ravens, Cowboys, and the Raiders. The last 3 in PYT 6. And there's still 10 in the second random. Matter of fact, let me post that on social. Blockchain card on the bottom. Blockchain. Ooh, nice. Randy Moss, Chris Carter, sync signatures. Gotta assume that's for the Vikings. I'll double check that though. It's a digital card only, but pretty cool. Moss and Carter, sync signatures. National Treasures. Boom, sync signatures. 15. Yep. That is going out to Minnesota. Vikings will get that digital blockchain. Vikings, Simon. The Vikings. The first base card is a Darius Leonard, 2 of 35. Gold parallel for the Colts. Leonard base. And then we have a Treasured Moments base. Michael Strahan for New York Giants. 60 of 99. Strahan's A game on defense help sack Pats. Rookie jersey. Philadelphia. 99 of 99, Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. Jalen Reagor, Philadelphia. Eagles in the break, Didi. Jersey of Devin Hester, vet jersey. Bears, 36 of 99, Chicago. Bears in the break. D. Janis. 3-color patch of Charles Woodson, the greatest 24 ever. 4 of 25. Patch for the Raiders. 3 colors. Glenn. Patches for the Buccaneers of Shaquille Barrett. 8 out of 10. Tampa Bay. Buccaneers Big Apple. First auto is a rookie for the Cowboys, Rico Dotto. 6 out of 34. Red parallel number to his jersey number. 6 out of 34. Dallas Cowboys. Simon? Man, we cannot stop hitting this guy today. We cannot stop hitting him. I actually saw this card, this design on eBay when I was looking up NT cards earlier today. It's a 6 set field pass, but it's a not a quarterback. Hitting him all day. 19 of 25 DeAndre Swift Detroit. Field pass insert. I saw the Herbert one. It looks dope. The Herbert one of this insert. It's already way up there right now, and there's still like 6 days left. I think it's up to like 4K, and there's 6 days left for the Justin Herbert version of this card. Scott B, Lions, congrats. All right, the last hit out of box 1 is a vet jersey auto for the Cowboys. Actually, there's one more. Just kidding. Jersey auto, Tony Dorsett, Dallas Cowboys. That's the second and last hit of box 1. Cowboys, Simon. And this might be the biggest RPA that I've hit today, besides maybe the Stars and Stripes Swift. Which, congrats Steelers. Rookie patch auto redemption, Chase Claypool, Pittsburgh. Boom for Steelers. True RPA, rookie patch auto, Chase Claypool, Flan Man with the Steelers. All right, box 2 for random teams number 1. All right, 11 of 25 base for Minnesota. Dalvin Cook, base card. Ooh, jersey number. 1 of 99 base card. Jersey number, Kyler Murray. So that's a jersey number bonus boom. So that's a double eBay 101 because it's also the first one stamp. Arizona, Scott B. Kyler. Veteran jersey of Harry Carson for the New York Giants. 67 out of 99, New York Giants. 67 out of 99. Giants in the break, Ward Crane. Cowboys gone in PYT 6. Good luck, John. All right, so PYT 6, which is coming up next, has only 2 teams left, the Ravens and the Raiders. And random teams number 2 is still at 10. We've got a double jersey for the Jets, 86 of 99. That has LaMichael Pirine and Denzel Mims, rookies for the Jets. New York Jets. Ward. Teddy Bruschi, veteran jersey for the Patriots, 14 of 25, New England. Simon. Teddy Bruschi. Jumbo. 3 of 25 rookie patch of Michael Pittman for the Colts. 3 out of 25 Michael Pitt, Indianapolis. Colts in the break for the record. Rookie auto, red parallel to his jersey. Yep, 17 of 97, Yetur Gross, Carolina. Jersey number, rookie auto, 17 of 97, Yetur Gross, Panthers. Boot MG. It is my pleasure. Rookie patch auto. Not the true, but 4 of 25. Foil parallel. Brian Edwards, Raiders. Glenn with the 6.5. 3-color rookie patch auto. Brian Edwards. And a jumbo prime rookie auto booklet. 99 of 99 for Coach and Denver. Jerry Jeudy, Broncos. Rookie patch auto booklet. Coach with the Broncos. 99 out of 99. Jeudy. All right, and we are going to close the break with a true RPA to 99. Peter having a good day. Congrats. Chase Young, 65 of 99. And this is funny because the true RPAs are numbers to 99, but this happens to be his jersey number, true RPA, which has that green foil around it. But he's number 99, so it's also to 99. So, double eBay 101 true jersey for Washington. Peter with the Washington football team. Congrats. True RPA Chase Young. All right, that's going to close it out for Random Teams number 1, guys. A brand new 2020 National Treasures Football Hobby on release day. Random Teams 1. Congrats to everybody got a hit in this one. Coming up next is PYT 6. As soon as it fills, there's only 2 teams left. And then Random Teams number 2 has 10 left. And that will break tonight as soon as it fills as well. Appreciate you guys. Peace. All right, let's see. Last 2 breaks of the night, PYT 6 and Random 2. All right, PYT 6 is officially sold out. We're going to get right into that in a few minutes. I just got to go put this break away. All right, and there's still 10 left in Random Teams 2, but PYT 6 is ready to go. I'll be right back. All right, PYT 6. By the way, guys, we did double sell 2 teams in PYT 6. Humma, double sell on the Panthers. I voided out your credit card transaction. The person that got the Panthers was Rivals JP with order number 155. So Humma, I voided out your credit card transaction for the Panthers. And then Michael James is getting a refund for the Steelers. It was Dan that got the Steelers with order number ending in 165. So Michael James, I also voided out your credit card transaction. So both of those won't show up on your final statements, guys. So those are the 2 teams that double sold, Panthers and Steelers in number 6. And I already voided out the credit card.